Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Jury's World. Today I'm going to give you the multiple choice questions from the chapter A Letter to God, written by Z.L. Fuentes. So let's see the MCQs from this chapter. Who is the writer of the story? A. Z.L. Fuentes, B. L. Sorester, C. Arup Kumar Dutt, D. Annie Frank. The writer of the story, A Letter to God, is Z.L. Fuentes. So answer will be A. 2. The base of the story delicately pauses on faith on God, faith on himself, faith on farmers or none. The base of the story delicately pauses on faith on God. So answer will be A. Who is Lenso? Lenso is a farmer, a businessman, a painter, none of these. Lenso is a farmer. So A will be the answer. 4. The house, thus, the only one in the entire valley, set on the crest of a low hill, means solitary, beautiful, peculiar or nice. The house, the only one in the entire valley means it is the only house. So here it means solitary. So answer will be A. 5. Where was Lenso's house situated? Lenso's house was situated in the crest of a low hill, means top of a low hill, or bottom of a low hill, in a town or in a village. So answer is Lenso's house was situated on the crest of a low hill or top of a low hill. So answer will be A. Question 6. What was the only thing that the earth needed according to Lenso for his crop? Actually, the a pure downpour or at least a shower is needed. So according to Lenso, a downpour or at least a shower is needed. Seven. Lenso was expecting the downpour to come from north, northeast, southeast or south. Lenso was expecting the downpour to come from northeast. So answer will be B. 8. Which of the word means very closely, intimately, sincerely, neatly or clearly? Definitely intimate means close. So here intimately is the answer. Very closely means intimately. So answer will be A. Question 9. The meal we take in the morning is called breakfast. The meal we take in the midday is called lunch. The meal we take in the bedtime or night is this: supper, dinner, night food, snacks or none. The meal we take in the bedtime or night is called supper or dinner. So answer will be A. Question 10. Lenso's older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house, playing in the field, sleeping or dancing. Lenso's smaller or younger ones, kids were playing near the house. So answer will be A. Predicted means pleasure approaching, forecast or snowfall. Predicted means forecast. So answer will be C. What was seen approaching in the northeast? Huge mountains of clouds, small mountains of clouds, big clouds or none? Huge mountains of clouds was seen approaching in the northeast. So answer will be A. 13. Which crop was growing on Lenso's field? Corn, barley, rice, or none of these? Corn was growing on Lenso's field. The only hope left in the hearts of Lenso's family after the destruction was, this is number 14 question. What did Lenso compare the large raindrops with? Silver coins, pearl, new coins or diamonds? Lenso compared the large raindrops with new coins. Just he compared them. The big one is 10 cent. Big drops are 10 cent and the little ones are 5 cents, isn't it? So he compared it with new coins. 15. The boys exposing themselves to the rain. Ran out to thus enjoy in the rain, play in the garden, collect the frozen pearls, hailstone or none. The boys exposing themselves to the rain ran out to collect the frozen pearls means hailstone. So answer will be C. 16. The hail rain on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield or the whole valley for an hour, for half an hour, for 2 hours, for 4 hours. The hail rain on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield and the whole valley for an hour. So answer will be A. 17. The field looked as if it were covered with salt, locust, sugar, ice. The field looked as if it was covered with salt. The field was totally white. So this answer is salt. What destroyed Lance's field? Heavy rainfall, hailstorm, landslide or flood? This is B. The hailstorm destroyed Lance's field. 19. A plague of locusts means a large number of insects that come into an area at one time, small birds, animal or none. A plague of locusts means a large number of insects that come into an area at one time. 20. After the crop were destroyed, Lance's family was still optimistic as they had enough faith in God, they had faith in themselves, faith in rain or none. Definitely, after the crops were destroyed, Lance's family was still optimistic as they had enough faith in God. They hope that God will help them. 21. The only hope left in the hearts of Lance's family after the destruction was help from God. There was no hope left, compensation from government or help from farmers. The only hope left in the hearts of Lance's family after the destruction was help from God. So answer will be A. 22. Lance was an ox of a man means reliable like an ox, lazy like an ox, work hard like an ox or inspiring like an ox. Lance was an ox of a man means Lenzo worked hard like an ox. So answer will be C. 23. Lenzo started writing the letter on Monday morning, following Sunday morning, Drebeck, Tuesday or Thursday. Lenzo started writing the letter after the hailstorm the following Sunday morning. So answer will be B. 24. What was strange about Lenzo's letter? Lenzo's address, receiver's address, the envelope or Lenzo's signature? Definitely the receiver's address. It is written there in the envelope. What is written there? To God, address to God. So receiver's address is strange. 25. How did Lenzo decide to contact his last resort? Through a letter, through email, through fax or none? Lenzo decided to contact his last resort through a letter. So answer will be A. 26. How much money did Lenzo ask for? 100 pesos, 70 pesos, 200 pesos or 400 pesos? Lenzo asked 100 pesos. So answer will be A. 27. What was the immediate reaction of the postman on seeing the letter? Laughed wholeheartedly, felt sad about what happened, cried or felt sympathy for him. The immediate reaction of the postman on seeing the letter was he laughed wholeheartedly. So answer will be A. 28. The postmaster was a fat, amiable man. What is the meaning of amiable here? Rude, friendly and pleasant, moody or none? The postmaster was a fat and amiable man. Amiable means friendly and pleasant. So answer will be B. 29. What was the reply demand apart from goodwill, ink and paper? Lost crop, money, new seeds or God's sign? Apart from goodwill, ink and paper, the reply demands money. So answer will be B. 30. The postmaster wanted to collect dash but could collect dash 70 pesos or 100 pesos. 100 pesos and 70 pesos means the postmaster wanted to collect 100 pesos but could collect only 70 pesos. So answer will be B. 31. Lenzo was not surprised to see the money in the envelope as Lenzo had extreme faith in God that God will send him the money he required. He wished somebody will send him. He was surprised. None of the above. Lenzo was not surprised to see the money in the envelope as Lenzo had extreme faith in God that God will send him the money he required. So answer will be A. 32. What response was the postmaster expecting in the letter written by Lenzo after receiving the money? Grateful and elated, angry, dejection and none. Grateful and elated. So answer will be A. 33. What did Lenzo think of the post office employees? A bunch of crooks, unhelpful, proud and rude. Lenzo think of the post office employees as a bunch of crooks. So answer will be A. 34. Lenzo's second letter included details of his problem, description of the post office, his gratitude for money, list of further demands. Lenzo's second letter includes his list of further demands means he received only 70 pesos, isn't it? So he sent the second letter asking more 30 pesos from God. So it is the list of further demands. This is all about the chapter A Letter to God. These are some of the multiple choice questions from this chapter. Hope you have understood it. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.